Hello everyone, I'm going to show you a super quick method to effectively smooth skin and remove blemishes, while retaining its skin pores as well as the skin's natural texture. Before we begin, if you want to be notified as soon as I upload Photoshop tutorials, click that subscribe button and welcome. The first step is to make a copy of our photo by pressing Ctrl or Command+J. Now, let's tackle those big red and dark spots. Head to the toolbar and select the Spot Healing Brush tool. Carefully remove the spots like this. But we need to take it a step further for that extra cleanliness and softness. Press Shift plus Ctrl plus Alt plus E to merge all the work into one layer. Invert the layer by pressing Ctrl plus I. Change the blend mode to vivid light. Now, let's refine the skin texture. Go to the Filter menu, then to Other, and select High Pass. High Pass is essentially an edge detection filter. It works by filling the entire image with a flat neutral gray, and then looks for edges in the image and highlights them by making the light side of the edge lighter and the dark side darker. Decreasing the radius decreases the effect, while increasing the radius increases it. We want to find a radius that blurs the skin just enough to hide most of the skin imperfections. Go back to Filter, Blur and Gaussian Blur. This blur will blur the high pass effect. A low radius has more of an effect on the high pass filter, while a high radius has less of an effect. I'll use a blur radius of 5 pixels, which gives us just the right amount of skin texture without showing the blemishes. Next, we'll restore back the eyes, hair and any other areas that have sharp edges. Before we do that, let's collapse the smart filters to save a little space in the Layers panel. Control or Comb and click the Layer Mask icon, which makes a black layer mask next to the active layer. This hides or masks out the entire layer next to it. We'll brush white inside the layer mask, which will reveal the smooth skin we created on top of the blemished photo. To do this, open your brush tool and make sure your foreground color is white. Open your brush picker and pick a soft, round brush. We'll adjust the brush's size in a moment. Its hardness is 0% and the opacity and flow are 100%. Brush over the skin to reveal the smooth skin. Feel free to adjust the brush's opacity in areas you want to finesse. That's it. Thanks for watching.